This man noticed something heartbreaking. One of his cat's kittens had passed away. Instead of hiding it, he gently showed it to the mother cat, and she looks completely devastated. When he tried to take the little one away to bury it, the mother kept following him, as if she didn't want to say goodbye. Still, he found a quiet spot, placed the kitten inside a small box, added some cat treats beside it, and buried it carefully. Before he left, he placed 2 white flowers on top, a final sign of love and respect. Even in loss, this man showed that kindness never ends. If you believe every life deserves love, hit subscribe.